Hey guys, Andrew McFarland here from StartAJuiceBar.com. Hope you guys are feeling amazing and inspired to launch your juice businesses or grow your existing businesses. Today we are talking about going from a small scale juice business, and this might mean doing deliveries online, maybe you've just been making juices for your friends and family, to a larger scale juice business. And really, what are the things that I see that small scale juice business owners need to do and mistakes that they make that they need to overcome in order to get to that next level in their business? But before we dive into today's topic of conversation, if you're new to the channel and you don't know who I am, you don't know what we do, over the last 10 years, myself and our company has had the pleasure of supporting hundreds of entrepreneurs like yourself launch and scale smoothie concepts, juice bar concepts, acai bowl concepts, as well as running our own businesses in this sector. So all the information on this channel is coming from experience. This is an early invitation to press the like button. These videos take a lot of time and attention, and your support to the channel inspires us to keep creating content for you all. Also, if you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you get alerted anytime we release content just like this. So maybe you're in a situation where you haven't started your juice business yet, or maybe you're in a situation where you have, and you have a little bit of interest, momentum, you've got people who are ordering from you, but you haven't really hit that threshold yet where your business is making a substantial enough amount of money for you to do it full time, or for you to, if you have a job, leave your job and run your juice business. So obviously when I say going from a small scale juice business to a larger scale juice business, the sky's the limit and you can go very, very far. But today what I want to talk about is how do you go from being in a place where maybe you've been making juices at home, online, and you want to take it to that next level, or you're thinking about getting started and you want to really know what are the things that you can avoid to take your business to that next level. Also, by the end of this video, I'm going to be sharing something with you guys, which is an amazing opportunity, something that we've never done, I've never done, and for the first time ever, an opportunity for you guys to really take your businesses to that next level. But to dive into today's topic of conversation. So a lot of times when people are making juices at home and they start businesses with their savings where you don't have a ton of capital to inject into your business, with that, sometimes there's compromises that are made. And these are some things that have to be overcome in order to make sure that you can get to that next level. So what's the first area that I really see small scale juice business owners have a great opportunity to improve in order to take their businesses to that next level? So the first one is in the realm of branding and design. This is one of those big things, and especially when you're working at a small scale, you already have the disadvantage of consumers not trusting you as much, because if you don't have a storefront and people can't walk into a business and meet you, meet your staff, they already don't know a lot about your company. And if you add to the fact that maybe if a customer goes to your website, or maybe they go to your Instagram page and your company isn't well branded, right, and it doesn't feel like a big company, then that's a big mistake, because that's the only touch point that people have when working with your business. And you also might be competing with other companies that have a lot more financial resources, that do have storefronts. And so this is really a big area that needs to have a time, attention, and focus when you're starting and you have a small scale business. What's the second thing? The second thing is the menu. As you guys have, if you've been watching this channel, heard me talk about a lot of times, is when you're running a small scale juice business, there are going to be challenges around how much you can order. Maybe you've been going to the grocery store and ordering produce at a retail price, and therefore you don't have the margin to actually make money on your product. And so really having a full spectrum understanding of what the implications are when you're developing your menu to make sure you have the right margin, the right flavor profile, also the right equipment and production capacity for your menu. So this takes a lot of time, a lot of energy to develop that is the proper reflection of the phase of the business that you're in. Because you can't have a menu that is reflective of a storefront because you don't have the infrastructure or the capacity to take care of that menu. So you have to be aware of the development phase that you're in and have a menu that's reflective of where you're at, but also a menu that obviously appeals to your customers, has a unique approach that gets people to come to your business as opposed to going to any other business. Now, what's number three? Number three is the thing that's really going to get you to that next level. And I'm going to talk more about how we can help you with this and the thing that I'm going to be sharing that we've never done before after this. But it's really the financial piece. Okay, this comes down to really understanding the fundamentals of your business, from really doing the right budgeting to understanding if you need to raise money, which most of you will, because if you're at a small scale and you want to go to the next scale, you're going to need an injection of capital for your business, and how to raise money for your business. A lot of times, no matter how big your business gets, right? And I just want to put this comparison and present this to you guys so you understand that you're just at a certain scale, and the principles of this are not unique to you just because your business is at a small scale. Large companies, and if you guys have heard the podcast that I did with Arm, who's a close friend of mine and also has a business that has a deal with Whole Foods, right? Big company. These businesses, even as they get to larger scales, still need injections of capital to get to that next scale, because you're going to need more infrastructure. You're going to need things to be able to, whether it's investment in equipment, a new building, right? There are all kinds of things that come up that even if your business is going well and you're profitable and you're making money, but to get to another phase of development, there's always capital injections in 90% of situations that are needed to get you to that next level. So a lot of times what I see is that small business owners and small juice business owners are a little bit unfamiliar with this, and it honestly makes them feel uncomfortable. And so if you feel uncomfortable, even as I'm talking about the idea of raising capital and the finances for your business, this is a great place for you to check in and say, hey, this might be something that's a big opportunity for me to look at and to explore, to take my business to that next level. Because all great entrepreneurs know how to raise money. They understand the importance of it, because it's almost never the case that any business will make money fast enough to grow on its own in a way that is conducive to the market opportunity, because there becomes issues with timing and not taking advantage of what the market opportunity actually is. So like I said, I'm going to share something with you guys now that we've never done before, I've never done before, but I've realized that there's a really, really big need for this. And I've developed a Juice Business Accelerator program. This is going to be an 8-week program where I'm going to take a select group of people that are in this audience, in this community, and we're going to go through all the things that I talked about in this video, but even deeper, right? We're going to go through other things in your business, marketing your business, right? Your menu development, like I talked about, branding so that you have a unique brand, and so much more. If this is something that you're interested in and you really are ready to take your business to that next stage, and you feel like you've maybe either been a little bit stagnant, or your business hasn't been growing as quickly, or you feel like you've hit a roadblock and you really feel like you could benefit from some group mentorship, right? Where I'll be there, I'll be able to review the businesses. Will have work that you guys will do that can be reviewed. We can review your company and really look into where your business is at and how we can go to the next level. Then this is something that I want to encourage you to apply for. There's a link below this video where you can fill out a questionnaire. If it feels like a fit and you're someone that we want to bring into the group, we'll have a conversation about what the next steps are. But we're looking for people who are really serious about taking their business to that next level, to go from being in a place where maybe your business has been going okay, or maybe you have had trouble getting it started, and you really want to get your business to build some serious and significant momentum to take it to that next level. Then click the link below, apply. Would be happy to talk about if you're a right fit and if we're going to accept you into this accelerator program. But know that it is possible, right? Don't allow yourself to become limited by your own limitations, your own thinking, your lack of experience, because there are ways that you can grow your business. And there's lots of clients, as you guys know, that we've worked with, that we help go from where you are now to actually having, in many situations, even multiple storefronts. So it's possible. You just need to get that guidance. You need the accountability. You need the mentorship. And we're here to help you with all of that. So I hope this video has been helpful. If you like the video, press the like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, now is a great time to subscribe. Any questions or comments, or you just want to let us know that you've been appreciating the content, put it in the comment box below. If you're not following us on Instagram, follow us at StartAJuiceBar. And also we have a podcast on iTunes and on Spotify at the Juice Bar Experts. You can find us there. And if you need support with any other aspect of your business, always feel free. You can email me personally at Andrew@StartAJuiceBar.com. Would be happy to discuss how we can help you. Until next time, hope you're happy, hope you're healthy, wishing you guys a lot of success, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys have been enjoying the content. If you're in a place where you are really inspired to launch your juice business, but you're not exactly sure what steps to take, for you, we've created a free ebook, the 15 steps to starting your juice bar from scratch. Now, this is going to give you an overview of all the steps that you need to take in order to launch your business. If you want to go even deeper, we created an online course, the Juice Bar Master Blueprint. This is going to go into great detail into every single aspect of the business, starting from the very beginning all the way to actually launching a successful juice business. There's links for both of these in the description below. I know you guys will find a lot of value out of them. As always, wishing you a lot of success, and I'll see you guys in the next video.